I used to schedule my day around a bathroom, and I had to avoid caffeine, spicy foods, and a tiny bit of alcohol I drank because it would only make things worse. Now I can enjoy all of those things again, plus my sex life is better than ever. I'm never giving up ProstaStream.
Clinically proven and all-natural supplement that will allow you to target the real root cause of BPH. A severe inflammation caused by your body confusing DHT hormones for an infection, and turbo boost your hormone receptors and immune system to break out the prostate growth cycle. We've sourced the purest high-quality plant extracts and vitamins and put the exact quantities into an easy-to-swallow capsule to take once a day. Every capsule is manufactured in the USA in our FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility under sterile, strict, and precise standards. ProstaStream capsules are non-GMO and safe. They do not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and they're not habit-forming. By now, I imagine you're probably wondering how you can get your hands on this state-of-the-art blend for yourself. To be honest, it's actually still very difficult for the general public to get ProstaStream. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. While you can try buying each individual ingredient on its own, it's unlikely they will make a fraction of the positive impact that this scientifically proven all-in-one formula will. At the beginning, Alan and I had spent days trying to source the best ingredients from all over the world, and thousands of dollars to buy them. Then, weeks to extract the sacred seeds, the leaves, the essences. At the end, we had to dry them out, grind them down, and adjust the ratios. The result, we had enough of the mixture to last for a week or so. Plus, we were exhausted. That's why we jumped for joy when we found a modern manufacturing facility and honest suppliers to help us. Because ProstaStream helps your body fight the flood of DHT inflammation with 2 pills a day at such an astonishingly fast rate, pretty much everyone who uses it asks for more. As word continues to spread, it's only a matter of time until ProstaStream becomes extremely popular in Europe, and I already have received calls about preparing bulk purchases of more than 100 bottles or more, which means we will soon run out of our first batches. Once it will be sold out, it will take us 3 to 6 months to produce a new batch, as we're only willing to accept the best ingredients, even though we're almost out of stock. Because you've given me your trust and stayed with me through this presentation, I'll share how you can get your hands on a brand new bottle of ProstaStream in the next minute. You should know that after ProstaStream will give you back a full night's sleep and a strong, easy flow, you'll need to continue supporting your body to flush out DHT and take full advantage of all the plant extracts we have to offer. That's why we recommend you choose at least 3 bottles of ProstaStream. Although looking at the order history, most people choose the 6 bottles for a light bladder and normal prostate. For example, Kenneth L. says, "I've always believed that prostate issues are something only 90-year-old men suffer from. But within 6 months since I turned 52, I was making 15 to 20 trips to the bathroom each day, always making sure I went to the bathroom before I drove anywhere or did anything. Always feeling like I needed to go even though I just went. I'm 24 days into taking this formula and I'm down to just 5 to 7 times a day. I'm able to easily sleep through the night. I'm so happy." The real-life testimonials you heard are just a few of the hundreds that I'm receiving each month about ProstaStream. And you should know that ProstaStream is only available on this website while there are supplies in stock, and I'm able to stay in business. The truth is, I'm facing over a dozen potential injunctions from pharmaceutical lawyers who hate what I'm doing and are furious that there's a natural and effective solution for BPH, one that actually solves the problem. I'm fighting a war every day not to let Big Pharma win, but I don't want you to wait on taking action and reclaiming your life with ProstaStream. ProstaStream is your only real chance to soothe and relieve the inflammatory effects of your DHT buildup, and it's something that can protect your body for decades to come and never have to pay a red cent on side effect-filled treatments that only provide temporary relief. Think about how good it will feel to no longer be embarrassed by constantly having to go to the bathroom, to wake up feeling energized, to go about your day knowing you can confidently visit the toilet only when needed and not 20 times a day like you do right now, to finally feel like yourself again. All it takes is 2 powerful prostate protecting capsules per day for you to live a life free from the crippling symptoms of an enlarged prostate for years to come. So, tell me, how much is it worth for you to be in full control of your bladder? No fears, no health risks, while feeling like a strong man again. Just take a second, imagine how much that would be worth. $100,000? $10,000? $5,000? Even though Alan recommended I sell a 30-day supply of ProstaStream for no less than $997, considering the year of research, work, and tests that we've invested in it. And even though my brother suggested $597, seeing how he's a whole new person now, while our manufacturers would have asked for $397 just for the high quality of the ingredients. And even though many of the 17,856 men who got to experience ProstaStream said they would gladly pay $297 per bottle, which is less than what you'd pay for doctor visits, constant blood tests, and dangerous meds. This isn't about money for me. I'll never forget what I felt when I had to change my brother's diapers, the agonizing look in his eyes, the fact that we both knew he might not live to see his kids grow up. That's why I'm offering my prostate restoring solution to the public for the first time through a special Steel Prostate campaign. If you act right now and make the life-changing decision to join the more than 17,856 men before you, you can get your hands on ProstaStream for just $69 per bottle. Actually, let me make the deal even sweeter. After seeing my brother nearly lose his life over his prostate, it gave me a reality check that no matter how good your family's genes are, no matter how healthy and how active and worry-free you may be, no man is safe and anyone can fall victim to an enlarged prostate. So you'd be right to worry about your health of your fathers, your brothers, uncles, and sons right now. The good news is you can put those worries to rest and protect your loved ones right out of the gate with a discounted package plan that's only available today, where you can get 6 bottles of ProstaStream for only $49 per bottle or $1.63 per day. This special discounted package is only being offered to you today through this website as part of my awareness campaign and only while supplies last. Moreover, you also get free shipping today. But again, both the special multiple bottle discount and free shipping are limited. This means that when I run out of bottles of ProstaStream again, it'll take up to 6 months before another batch is available. Just click the 6-bottle package or any package you choose below this video right now to start your order. You'll then go to the secure checkout page where you'll enter your order details, and within just 5 business days from now, you'll receive ProstaStream right to your front door in discreet packaging, so no one will have any idea what's in the package. So go ahead and select your package of ProstaStream while there are still bottles in stock. If you're skeptical, I totally get you. You've tried a lot of methods, you've spent a lot of money, and nothing worked. I'm so confident that ProstaStream works that I'm going to give you our ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee. In just a few weeks, you'll notice yourself needing to pee less often. You'll feel your stream go stronger. No more embarrassing dribbling in your briefs after you're done. You'll feel relaxed and grow confident as you don't have the need to constantly play bathroom detective or be ashamed of anyone noticing how much you're going. If for any reason you're not happy with your results using ProstaStream, simply email my US-based customer service team 24/7, and we will give you a prompt and immediate refund with 0 questions asked. If that seems fair to you and you're ready to eliminate your problems for good, and then select the 6-bottle package or any package you choose below this video right now to start your order. Listen, When you think about it, you really only have two choices ahead of you right now. Option 1, stop watching this video, keep going the way you are now. But let me ask you this, how are you going to feel in a month, 6 months, or a year from now if you don't take action today? Keep struggling through sleepless nights, spend half your day trying desperately to squeeze out a few drops instead of doing your work. What about your partner and your sex life? Heck, forget everyone else. How will this constant lack of sleep, bladder anxiety, and inability to just forget about the bathroom for more than 5 minutes affect your sanity? Option 2, risk nothing at all today. Grab ProstaStream right now, and you'll be surprised at how well it works and how easy your life can be. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless. Sincerely, Frank Neal. Still here? No problem, I know we just covered a lot. To help you out, let me go ahead and answer some of the most common questions you might have. How does ProstaStream work again? So, as I mentioned earlier, my major breakthrough was realizing the real cause behind the BPH epidemic that's scouring the USA at the moment is something called DHT-triggered inflammation. It's caused by the body mistakenly attacking your new testosterone form, DHT, and causing inflammation of the prostate, causing it to swell and grow, squeezing the bladder and your urethra, leaving you to feel like you always need to go, but stopping you from ever being able to go properly. Not to mention waking you up over and over again in the middle of the night, desperate to just go barely squeeze out a dribble before giving up and returning to bed defeated. This sounds incredible, but I'm not sure how many bottles to order. How long does it take to see results? The size of your prostate gland and the severity of your BPH will vary from person to person. Some people may just have a mild case, while others will have a situation that's been building up for years. So it's really hard to say for sure exactly how long you'll need to experience results. What I can tell you, however, is that a single bottle of ProstaStream will give you the confidence that you're on the path to waving goodbye to your prostate nightmare. 3 bottles will do the same thing, while ensuring you protect your body from the effects of inflammation as you heal. And 6 bottles of ProstaStream will give you an entire 6 months of protection, defending your prostate from the ravages of an immunoinflammation, freeing you from the prison of a bladder you can't trust, so you can wave goodbye to the bone-crushing exhaustion of sleepless nights spent running from your bed to the bathroom, only to desperately dribble out a few pitiful drops, as well as the constant emasculating anxiety of always frantically looking for the nearest bathroom. Letting you walk tall wherever you go, feeling like the healthy, virile, masculine man you used to be once more. Who is ProstaStream for? ProstaStream is for anyone who suffers from BPH or an enlarged prostate. It's for you if you're finding yourself needing to urinate more and more often, if you can't empty your bladder properly when you go, or spending your days anxiously looking for the nearest restroom and hoping no one notices how often you're going in, and if these issues have made you feel embarrassed, ashamed, or stressed, or worse, if you don't recognize yourself anymore. At any point throughout your life, I'm confident that with ProstaStream, you'll finally experience the much-needed and well-deserved relief that you've been looking for. And of course, if you're not satisfied for any reason whatsoever, you're protected by my ironclad 60-day 100% money-back guarantee. So when you think about it, you really have nothing to lose when you invest in ProstaStream today. This sounds incredible, but I'm afraid it won't work for me. Can you remind me of your guarantee? Absolutely. ProstaStream comes with a 60-day 100% money-back guarantee. That means when you order ProstaStream today, you then have a full 2 months to decide if it's right for you. But if you're not thrilled with your progress for any reason, simply email my customer service team and we'll refund your investment with 0 questions asked. How long will ProstaStream be available? That's hard to say. My hope is that ProstaStream will make the effects of DHT-triggered inflammation a distant memory. But because Big Pharma is furious about this breakthrough, it's uncertain I'll be able to fight them off forever. That's why it's important you get ProstaStream today, especially since it comes with a 60-day 100% money-back guarantee, which means there are 0 risks to you. All right, I really want ProstaStream. What should I do now? This part is simple. Just click one of the buttons below and choose your package. Then complete your order and ProstaStream will be in your hands in just 5 business days from now. Plus, there are no risks because of my ironclad 60-day guarantee. This presentation is now ending, and I want to thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Go ahead and choose your package now and take ProstaStream as directed for at least 30 days, and I cannot wait to hear about your success story. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Frank Neal.